Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are good at home. So, today from Standard 6 English Medium, 6 English Medium, Unit number 9, new Unit 9. In this unit, there is a chapter named Desert Animals. What? Desert Animals. So, what happened in this unit? I am going to tell you the story of the unit. Here given the numbers, number 1, number 2, different numbers, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, there are 9 numbers. So I am going to start the story of this unit. Although deserts are dry places on earth. What? Deserts are dry places on earth. There are certain animals that survive in the desert. What? Survive in the desert. They use different methods. Who? The animals. They use different methods to cope with the harsh climate. Gabriels. What? Gabriels spend the hottest part. What? The hottest part of the day in cool underground burrows. What? In cool underground burrows. Darkling beetles. What? Darkling beetles catch drops of moisture on their legs. Then they lift the legs. In the air until the drops of water trickle down into their mouth. Camels get water from desert plants. Who? Camels get water from desert plant. Now see, there are more than 2,300 different kinds of snakes around the world. Okay, so now I am talking to snakes. Some snakes also live in desert. Where? Some snakes also live in desert. Where? In the rocky deserts of America. Where? Rocky deserts of America is found the frightening rattlesnakes, which can strike with lightning speed. Okay, where he lives? Rocky deserts, and speed likely frightened rattle can be heard as far as 30 meters away. It avoids people if it is possible can, but when threatened it coils ready to bite. The rattlesnake threatens, it's ready to bite. Rattles feed on a variety of prey including mice. What? Variety of prey including mice. Snakes do not eat more than once a week, but some snakes such as pythons can be survive. Who? Some snakes like python can be survived for a year or more without eating. For a year or more without eating. The other animals found in deserts are mongoose. Who? Mongoose. That like to hunt together. These mongoose are like to hunt together. They have to be careful and dangerous predators. Okay. Their food is who? Their food is beetles and other small creatures. What? Beetles and other only small creatures. They warn each other with a special alarm call if they see anything suspicious. All the female mongoose have their kittens at about the same time. They are raised by the whole groups in den. Mongooses are famous snake killers. Who? Mongooses are famous snake killer. Their reaction are so fast that they can dodge each time the snake strikes. In the end, the snake gets tired. And what happened then? The mongoose quickly dives in for kill. Another animals. Okay, now talk about the another animals. Lives in the desert is the camel. They were tamed by man long ago. Camels were the domestic animal and tamed by whom? The man. Camels get the water they need from desert plants. Okay? Camel gets water from where? Water from where? The desert plants. They can survive without drinking water up to 10 months. Camel can survive without water up to 10 months. Camels are of two kinds. What? Camels are of two kinds. Dromedary and bacteria. What? Dromedary and bacteria camels. Dromedary camels has one hump. Those who are dromedary camels, it's a single hump. One hump. Who? Dromedary camels. While bacterial camel has two humps. See the picture. This is the bacterial camel. These humps are full of fat. These humps are full of fat. which helps them to survive for many days. Without food and water, survive where? In the desert. Without what? Without food and water. So, students, this is the story of Unit 9. What? Desert animals who lives in the desert. I hope you understand about the story. And tomorrow in next class, I will tell you the story in Hindi also. Thank you.